Hey, science rebels. Ever look up at the stars and wonder what's the universe hiding from us? I mean, we've got telescopes peering billions of light years, but some mysteries still laugh in science's face. Today, we're tackling the biggest head-scratchers: dark matter, dark energy, and where all the antimatter went, plus a wild black hole twist to spice it up. This is going to get weird, cosmic, and maybe a little freaky. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the unknown. First up, dark matter, the universe's invisible ghost. Picture this: galaxies spin way too fast to hold together with just the stuff we see. Gas, planets. Scientists say they're this mysterious dark matter, about 27% of everything pulling the strings with gravity. But we can't see it, touch it, or even detect it directly. It doesn't glow, doesn't shine nits like a cosmic ghost. We only know it's there because galaxies would fly apart without it, and it bends light in freaky ways like lenses in space. Some think it's weird particles from the Big Bang. Others say it's a glitch in our gravity rules. Either way, it's out there, mocking us 5 times more of it than normal stuff. What do you think it is? Drop your guess below. Next, meet dark energy, the universe's over-caffeinated engine. Back in 1998, astronomers noticed something nuts. The universe isn't just expanding from the Big Bang, it's speeding up like it's late for a cosmic date. This mysterious force, dark energy, makes up 68% of everything and pushes space apart faster every second, 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. If you're counting. We've got no clue what it is. Maybe it's energy baked into space itself, or some wild quantum fizz. Without it, we'd crunch back into a big crunch. But with it, galaxies are racing away so fast we'll lose sight of them in 1 trillion years. It's the ultimate runaway, and science is still chasing its tail. Now, the antimatter vanishing act. At the Big Bang, equal parts matter and antimatter should have popped out. Think protons and their evil twins. Antiprotons, when they touch, boom, pure energy, gone. Problem is, we're here, made of matter, and the antimatter's AWOL. Did it all get zapped early? Did some cosmic glitch favor matter? One theory says tiny differences in how they decay saved us, or maybe antimatter's hiding in secret pockets of the universe. And here's the black hole twist. Some wild minds think mini black holes from the Big Bang could have gobbled up antimatter, or even turned into dark matter. Picture that. Invisible holes eating the anti-stuff, leaving us with us. Science is stumped, and I'm dizzy just thinking about it. So here's the deal with dark matter. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of how galaxies spin. Stars at the edge of galaxies go around way faster than they should. Like, if you only saw the stuff we can see, those stars would fling themselves into outer space. But since they don't, it means there's some invisible stuff out there holding them in. We call that dark matter. Some scientists think it's made of weird particles that don't play well with others, so they're hiding in the shadows. Other scientists say maybe our ideas about gravity are just plain wrong. They're thinking there might be a new kind of gravity that we don't understand yet. And that's what's messing with these galaxies. As for dark energy, all we know is that the whole universe is getting bigger, and it's doing it faster now than it was before. It's like someone turned up the volume on an already running TV. But who's changing the channels of reality, and why? Some scientists think that empty space itself has a little bit of energy in it, and that energy is pushing stuff apart. Others think there's a new kind of particle out there that's messing with our measurements of space. We just haven't figured out how yet. And then there's the mystery of all the missing antimatter. After the Big Bang, the universe should have been a big, beautiful blur of matter and antimatter. When they met up, they zapped each other and disappeared into pure energy. But somehow, we ended up with way more matter than antimatter. It's like going to a party with all your friends and then coming back with only half the crew. Where are the rest of them? Scientists have a few ideas. Maybe there was a tiny imbalance between matter and antimatter from the start. Maybe it's all in how they're breaking down. Or maybe antimatter is hiding somewhere in our universe, just waiting to be found. And that's where the black holes come in. Those sneaky black holes might have gobbled up all the antimatter when it was still really young. Or maybe they turned into dark matter instead. We're talking about some serious stuff here, like turning one mystery into another. So here's what we know. First, there are lots of black holes in our universe, and they love gobbling up anything that gets too close, including light. That's why they're called black holes. Second, scientists think that most of the stuff inside black holes is squished into a tiny point at the middle called a singularity. Finally, we know that black holes can release stuff back into space in these cool bursts of energy called jets. So here's the idea. Maybe those black hole jets were full of antimatter. Maybe that's where all the antimatter went. As for dark matter, well, maybe it's the same stuff as those black hole jets, just squished into a different form. Now, before you get too excited, this is just one idea among many. It's like trying to solve a giant jigsaw puzzle with most of the pieces missing. All we can do is look at what's left and try to figure out what could have happened. With all the missing pieces, it's hard to say for sure. But that's what makes this stuff so fun. We're always learning new things about the universe and how it works. Even if we can't answer all the questions, the journey of discovery is pretty wild, don't you think? It's like we're all standing on the shoulders of giants, except the giants are scientists, and they're using telescopes instead of shoulders. And hey, who knows? Maybe one day we'll figure out all these mysteries. Until then, we can keep looking up at the stars and wondering what else is out there. So there you have it, dark matter lurking unseen, dark energy flooring the gas, antimatter playing hide-and-seek, and black holes tossing curveballs. The universe is a puzzle with missing pieces, and science is still scratching its head. What's your theory, alien conspiracy, or just cosmic chaos? Drop it in the comments, smash that like if your brain's buzzing, and subscribe for more mysteries we'll try to crack or at least marvel at. See you in the next cosmic rabbit hole. Hey Science Rebels, thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more. We've got all sorts of awesome stuff coming your way. And if you want to keep the learning fun, check out our site. You can watch more videos, take quizzes, and even chat with other science lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.